Hi all, welcome back to Exclusively Nail Art. This is going to be a water marble nail art Memorial Day style. These are all of the things that you'll be needing for this nail art, along with some water that is room temperature. The first thing you'll do is paint on the top coat. Your next step is to paint on a white base color. Your next step is going to be painting liquid latex all around your nail. You'll want it everywhere, all over your knuckles and underneath your fingers. The more you put on, the less cleanup you have later. Now it's time to get your room temperature water into your cup here, and you want to drip in the nail polish that you want, all three colors. So if they don't spread out like this and drip really easy, you need to change nail polishes, because if they're not really drippy and new, it's just not going to work. Now you'll get your toothpick and you're going to make the design in the water that you want. Once you like the design that you have in the water, you are going to line up your fingers and dip them into the parts that you like. Once you do that, you are going to blow on top of the water to dry the remaining nail polish. Then you go in with your Q-tip to pick up that extra nail polish. And when you pick your fingers out of the water, your design will be done. Your next step is going to be to peel off the liquid latex that you have around your nails. Then it's time for your cleanup work. Go in with a cotton ball and nail polish remover to clean up the big areas, and then you're going to switch to a Q-tip to clean up right near your nail. Your final step is going to be painting on your top coat. And there's your finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this nail art tutorial. If you would like a more detailed explanation of this nail art, please click on the video that you see here. And please feel free to like and subscribe. If you would like to click on the bell, you'll get notifications when I post a new video. Thanks for stopping by. See you later.